Welcome to Mini Models. I'm Christopher. Today we have a night riding Sizzlers Corvette 4-rotor, still in the package, by Toys by Roy, whatever that is. I don't know where Toys by Roy would be. Check out that UPC code on there. It's not even a barcode. Back in the day, the computers just read the numbers. I'm kind of liking the package on this, so I'm going to try to keep the package in shape. 1978, Hawthorne, California, printed in Hong Kong. Because this car is showing some wear and tear on the inside, and things are never going to get better for it. It's not like it's going to heal itself. I'm going to go ahead and try to approach it from the bottom of the package and cut it through the bottom, and that way I can keep this box intact if I want to display it that way again, and clean up the car. I'm assuming it doesn't run. I'm sure that the battery that's in it is long since dead. So let's get to it, and I think we start by, I've already cut, there was some tape on the side. I've already cut the tape, and it like unboxes. There we go. That's free, which frees up the. Okay, well that was weird. Okay. Oh, there's a little piece of the package here that's sort of, I don't know, I guess that was on the back and it was supposed to hold it together. That's okay. It's looking like, as long as I'm careful, I can cut an incision, as we say in the surgical, right here, and pull it out through the bottom. Let's give that a try. I'm going to try it like a door. Let's cut it through to the back. So, and try not to cut through the plastic or the car. So again, like I said before, don't try this at home, kids. It would be no fun to have to clean up your Hot Wheels car after cutting yourself with an 11 blade. Looks like I did it. Let's see. Let's pop this sucker open. Hey, success. Okay, let's extract it. Did they cut the hole big enough? That's the question. Oh, looks like we might be. Hey! Yeah, congratulations, it's a Corvette. I was gonna say boy or girl and couldn't really decide. You know, actually, that wasn't really that much corrosion. I cleaned that off with my thumb. This thing looks darn near mint now. Looks better now than it did when it was in the package. Loving that. I'm not even going to explore the battery right now because I know the batteries in these are attached in such a way that you have to kind of surgically remove them. I'm going to make all my Sizzlers run again and fix the lights, which I'm probably going to guess, well, maybe they work on this one. A little addendum I thought I'd put on. Since it wasn't too corroded, I thought I'd hook this thing up to one of my juice machines and give it a spin. I guess really all I need to do is put a new battery in it. It's really not in that bad. That's a pleasant surprise, I gotta say. Wow. But yeah, that's gorgeous. I'm gonna put that sucker in my my display cabinet. Sweetness. Bet most of this stuff would come off with one of those canned air things. If you're new here, click subscribe, and it might inspire me to make videos more often. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.